In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course on Udemy. If you're passionate about sharing your knowledge and skills with a broad audience, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to set up your course quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Udemy. Once you find the official Udemy website, you're going to click on it to be directed to the home page. As you've located the website, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option at the upper right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Assuming you're already registered, just enter your credentials and hit that login button. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see an option that says, Teach on Udemy. Give it a click. You'll then find a button labeled Get Started. By selecting this, you're indicating your readiness to embark on your course creation journey. It's an exciting step because Udemy offers a supportive framework that makes the entire process more manageable. Next, click on Create Course to begin the actual setup. At this point, Udemy will prompt you to specify the type of course you are going to offer. You have two options here, a traditional course or a practice test. Choose wisely based on what you intend to deliver. If you're inclined to provide comprehensive lessons, go with the course option. However, if your focus is on exams or quizzes, a practice test will suit your needs better. After selecting the course type, it's time to get creative with your course title. Choose something appealing and descriptive, yet concise enough to catch potential students' attention. Simultaneously, you'll need to select a category that best fits the subject matter of your course. This helps make your course easily searchable for those eager learners out there. Continuing on, you'll want to confirm how much time you're able to commit to creating your course each week. Be honest here. Setting clear expectations for yourself can help you maintain a steady and sustainable pace of creation. Once you've outlined your commitment, Udemy provides you with a teaching structure template. This structure, along with a handy radio button list, will assist you in tracking your progress as you develop your course content. Finally, ensure everything is in order and to your satisfaction. Once you've cross-checked all the details and made any necessary adjustments, click Save. Congratulations, you've completed the initial stage of course creation on Udemy. With this framework in place, you're well on your way to making your course accessible to students worldwide. Good luck on your teaching journey, and remember, your expertise could inspire and educate countless individuals. Thank you for joining me today.